welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. In today's episode, working on this Escape again. Let's see if it'll do it right now. It doesn't quite go all the way to the top. You have to push it up, so we're going to try to fix that today. Sometimes when it's a little colder than it is right now, it will actually drift down. Doesn't take much to get it to come down, but anyway, these fellers right here are what are responsible for that job, and I got a new set right here. I got these on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. The tools that we're going to use are just a little flathead. You can check ahead of time, just make sure that you got one that will go in here, because we're going to be prying outwards on that. I also got a pick just in case, then a pair of vice grips, and we're going to use the vice grips to hold up this side here, because one is not good enough to hold up both sides. So we will grab onto this here and just put that right under here, so when we take the other side off, it's not a problem. So we're going to get underneath this little piece right here. Just make sure they're the right ones. The end of this here needs to be on an angle, just like that is right there. I don't know if you guys can tell that, but it is on an angle, I promise. But this here is the one. I'm going to start with the bottom one here. All right, so we're just going to take this. I usually just pop these all the way out. It just makes it a lot easier. I have my head resting on the bottom of this hatch, so I can pull outwards. And we are now resting solely on the vice grips over there. And now we're going to come up here. You can sometimes just pull it out just a hair and then pop it the rest of the way out. You want to make sure that it came with a little grease in there, and then just wipe any dust or whatever off of that. Then to get this on, we're just going to push that straight on like that. And back over here, same story. Wipe the dust off and make sure you got your grease. And you might need to push up on it like I'm going to right here. For Pete's sake. These new ones appear to be just a skosh taller than the other ones, which I'm fine with, because that means it'll raise it up a little bit higher. They are just a skosh longer. I'm gonna have to get me a helper. Okay, so like I was saying, this is too long right now, just a skosh. So we're gonna have to pop this one off. The brand new ones are just a little bit longer. So I have my daughter, she's gonna hold this up. She doesn't want to be in the video, so I'm not gonna make her be, but I just need you to push this upwards. When I pop this one off, then I'll go pop that one on. But if you could just push up on this, hold it while I pop this out. And the dog is unhappy that he's not being paid attention to right now, right? All right, so I'm gonna pop this one. Okay. All right, we got this one hanging. We can raise it up high enough now that we can push this on down just a little bit. Right there. Okay, that's on. All right, we're gonna pop this one. Okay. And then we'll take this one here, straight on. Okay, now let go. Sweet. That's way better. It goes higher than it did before, so that's sweet. Because my melon used to run into this thing. All right, scope on this now. Ta-da! Have a great week. Please subscribe. I have a whole bunch of Ford Escape videos. These things are great cars. If you maintain them well, they will treat you well. Watch my videos. It'll help you out. Promise. Peace out.